Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, it is Sunday. It is time to get back on the Monday grind. So hopefully you are getting ready. Now we got a couple of watch faces to check out that is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And worthy, and I'm telling you people, these are worthy of a download. All right, we're just simply trying to get you ready for the work week so you can flex between watch faces with no problem. All right, now we do want to give a special thanks to Vince for the heads up on one of the watch faces, which is by Diana Studio. Thank you, Vince, for the heads up, my friend. With that being said, let's kick this review off. The name of the first watch face is called Digital Carbon 2K19. I really like this digital look, and I like the carbon design in the background. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a stacked digital time, so you'll be able to see your time at a glance with no problem once the watch face is on. Now, this theme that's going around the bezel of the watch, so far the index is concerned, really brings out that carbon look in the background. It should be energy saving so far as your battery is concerned to a degree. You are going to get stacked digital time, but what I really like that brings out this watch face is the hint of analog with this second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch that's blending in well with this digital time. You are going to get your heart rate information, battery info, step goal completed, and your steps down at the bottom. Now, although it's small down at the bottom, it's not a deal breaker considering that the watch face is free, and also it is interactive, so if you need to get your step status info, things of that nature, you can, which isn't a bad look. So listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number two. It's by Diana Studios. Diana Studios does awesome work on watch faces. If you have not checked out their lineup, check it out in the Gear Manager store. Now, this one is called Superior Mechanical Machine. It's a promo. They do have a paid version of this one, which offers a lot more than what this one is offering. This one is not interactive at all, but it does offer up a nice look so far as the analog watch face is concerned. You are going to get a nice analog look with this watch face, which isn't bad at all. But when the watch face is on, it's a basic analog traditional look. It gives you information on the month, the date, and also the days of the week, which is not a bad look at all. I do like the design of the hands, and you got a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch as well. So this is nice for a freebie considering that it is not interactive, but hey, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys are getting rested up for the Monday grind. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.